Why are you smiling?
Uh, I'm just thinking that what should we talk about in the video today?
That is for the later. Tell me something.
Yeah,
What do you like most? सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है? मजेदार अच्छा.
मतलब जिंदगी में सबसे अच्छा क्या क्या लगता है?
हाँ, जिंदगी जिंदगी.
क्रिकेट और खाना।
एक्सपेक्टेड बट खाने का तो मैं कुछ इंतजाम अभी नहीं कर सकता. वर्चुअली इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल.
हम्म,
एंड कुछ फूड ऑर्डरिंग साइट का नाम नहीं लूंगा. अदरवाइज
हम्म।
अगर वीडियो में पैसा देता तो नाम जरूर लेता और कुछ ऑर्डर भी कर देता. लेकिन क्रिकेट में कुछ मजेदार मैं इंतजाम कर सकता हूँ.
क्रिकेट में मजेदार क्या है?
क्रिकेट में क्या नहीं है? मेंस वर्ल्ड कप, मेंस चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी, मेंस T20 वर्ल्ड कप, वुमेन्स चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी, वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड कप, वुमेन्स T20 वर्ल्ड कप, वुमेन्स अंडर 19,
अच्छा, ठीक है,
विमेन्स
ठीक है,
अंडर
ठीक है,
19.
ठीक है, ठीक है। ओके। पागल क्यों बन रहे हो? ये आईसीसी का शेड्यूल जब से निकला है तब तब से ऑर्गो का स्क्रू ढीला हो गया। एंड ऑब्वियसली हम लोग आज उस बारे में बात करेंगे। मेजर चेंजेस हुआ है आईसीसी इवेंट्स में 2024 से 2031 के बीच में जो शेड्यूल है उस बारे में बात करेंगे। बट उस बारे में बात करने से पहले आप लोगों से बात करेंगे कुछ और बारे में, और वो ये है, आप लोग सब्सक्राइब क्यों नहीं करते? सब्सक्राइब करो ना, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल। क्योंकि आप नहीं समझ रहे हो बात को। अगर आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हो फिर हमारा रेस्टोरेंट बंद हो जाएगा। नहीं नहीं, मतलब ये स्पोर्ट्स एडिक्शन वाला रेस्टोरेंट बंद हो जाएगा। फिर ऑर्गो अपना घटिया जोक कहाँ सुनाएगा? तो आप ही लोगों को सुनाएगा ना। So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and you can follow Orgo and me in Twitter and Insta as well. So our topic of discussion today will be the changes in the main events and a few interesting observations as well. Orgo, फिर
करेक्ट.
मेनू से ही शुरू करें।
मेन्यू
स्टार्टर्स क्या
एकदम
है बताओ।
फटाफट रेडी है. पूरा एकदम स्टार्टर्स एकदम मेन कोर्स उसके बाद डेजर्ट fully
वाह।
packed. Okay.
हम्म।
Currently, so the current what we call the cycle which is going on, or bicycle नहीं, normal cycle, ICC tournament, if
क्या
future
साइकिल?
tournament program का cycle,
हाँ।
it is till 2023. Everybody knows that men's World Cup, like T20 World Cup is after few days. World Test Championship final तो 18 जून पे है ही. And then 2023 में है वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड T20, 2022 में है वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड कप. ये सब कुछ है. बट
है।
2024 टू 2031 इस शेड्यूल में ICC has brought some major changes. The major changes I and Trisha will be going through and we'll be discussing that. So 2024, there will be both men's and women's T20 World Cup. Okay. 2025, there will be the return of men's champions trophy. Now, men's champions trophy will be an 8 team affair, top 8 teams. It will almost be like the 2019 World Cup. Feel same रहेगा एकदम, best teams. Men's champions trophy तो हो गया. Then there will be World Test Championship final. That is the second World Test Championship final. Because see, this year this will be the first World Test Championship final. 2025 में there will be second World Test Championship final. Women's World Cup will be there in 2025. Remember, Women's World Cup. 2026 में क्या है? Men's and Women's T20 World Cup again. एंड 2027 में क्या है? मेंस ओडीआई वर्ल्ड कप, वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप फाइनल, वुमेन्स T20 चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी. एंड बाय द वे, दिस मेंस ओडीआई वर्ल्ड कप, the format will change. Till 2023, the men's ODI World Cup will be a 10-team affair. The same thing which happened in England in 2019. The top 10 teams, everybody playing everybody in the group stage and then the semi-final and the final. This will be the format till 2023 World Cup. Then from 2027, the format will change. 14 teams will be playing in that tournament and there will be 54 matches in the men's ODI World Cup. So there is expansion. 4 teams will be added. Also, remember the 2003 World Cup. some people were very young at that point of time. Then Super 6 format was there. This will be a return of the Super 6 format. So 7 teams will be divided, two groups, 7 teams each. The top 3 from each group will progress to the Super 6 stage. And then there will be semi-final and final. Trisha, can you take over?
Absolutely. There's so much cricket that you forgot to mention, that Women's T20 Champions Trophy. Interesting and a very
Hmm.
new addition. 2028 also has the Men's and Women's T20 World Cup. 2029 has Men's Champions Trophy, World Test Championship Final, and this will be the fourth cycle, sorry. And
Fourth one.
the Women's ODI World Cup. 2030 will yet again witness the Men's and Women's T20 World Cup. 2031, it's Men's ODI World Cup, Women's World Test Championship Final, and Women's T20 Champions Trophy. By the way, you mentioned about Men's ODI World Cup, but you did not mention about Men's T20 World Cup being extended to 20 teams, a 55 match event. Brilliant. I would say brilliant, because there are teams which are coming up, right? And there is, and would you like to take over the format, or you want to explain something, or should I directly jump to a question? Okay, first you explain. Yeah.
So again, the 20 team champion T20 World Cup, that is a very that will happen for the first time. That 20 teams will be playing in a T20 World Cup. And
Correct.
Trisha, do you think it's see the format remains same? Okay. Now it will be a four. The group will be 4 groups of 5 teams each. Okay.
Correct.
That will be the starting point, and then the top 2 will progress. From there will be quarterfinal, semi-final, and final. As far as I know, I don't know.
Correct.
If I'm not okay, so yeah, I'm correct. Now the thing is, nowadays people are calling for cricket to be included in tournaments like Olympics. With 20 teams getting included, it will be a major step. It's still very far away, because in Olympics, a lot of teams play a particular sport, then only it's chosen. In cricket, it's the stepping stone. If you play a World Cup with just 10 teams and then expect to get into Olympics, that won't happen. It has to be more teams, more nations need to participate. And
Absolutely.
That gives a big chance not only to the smaller teams or the associate nations, but new teams which
Correct.
are trying to find their place in the world of cricket to get a chance. And also, if this whole thing succeeds, then ICC and all the boards can appeal for cricket to be included in Olympics. Whether that will happen or not, it's a question for the future, but that's a very good step.
Correct. I think, first of all, one stepping stone definitely is 20 teams. But I think to reach Olympics, it will take a long time. Because, again, 20 teams, when you eventually play, my only concern is, how will these teams be divided? I mean, eventually, if it becomes something like who are going to be the top 8, then it won't be like, if it's a draw, and say for example, if it will be injustice in the sense, if there's one group of 5 teams who are not the top teams, and hence they're playing against each other, and we are getting someone, I don't know, someone like a US or Malaysia or Singapore, such cricket teams. Again, not taking any, I mean, not trying to offend anyone, but then suppose in the top 8, right, you don't get the best 8 teams, then will the competition be that good and that interesting, is my only concern. And if that doesn't happen, and eventually it happens that out of 55 matches, people are only interested in, say, 30 odd, then you might as well do just 30 matches. And hence, I'm not even looking at Olympics. I'm sure they are trying their level best to get into Olympics. But right now, what I'm looking at is, with 20 teams, can they actually make the event a success? In the sense, there shouldn't be matches where people don't want to watch it. It's
So this
between
here I have a
yeah,
question. The 2019 ODI World Cup, the men's one,
correct,
was a very big hit because all the major teams played each other once, and
correct,
every game was a bumper hit. A West
exactly,
Indies New Zealand match, a Bangladesh South Africa match, because Bangladesh is also a very good team when it comes to ICC events, and they beat South Africa. So it became a major hit because there were no dull matches or one-sided games. Even Afghanistan was dominating against Sri
correct.
Lanka and lost at the end. Afghanistan had almost beaten India and Pakistan, but again gave away at the
I
end.
think the only match which was a little one-sided was the England-Afghanistan game when Owen Morgan just
Hmm.
got man.
And I think the India-Pakistan.
Yeah,
The,
absolutely. True, true.
yeah. So my question here is, there are two things. One is you are trying to expand cricket. Another thing is the entertainment factor or the competitiveness. Competitiveness is the best word. So the 2027 Men's World Cup will not have
Correct,
this format. It
correct.
will be again that Super Six thing with 7 teams divided in two groups. So will the competitiveness reduce? Because again, the question of dull matches coming in are
Of
there.
course, the competitiveness will be diluted. Absolutely. Because there will be
Hmm.
certain teams. I mean, you remember the days when we used to watch India versus Kenya. Having said that, Kenya has also put India in a bad position. But if you think about it, India versus Namibia, those were the matches where people used to go out to score runs. It was a good experience for a team like Namibia. It was a good exposure for Kenya, and they learned, they improved. But do you want to do that in a World Cup, or do you want to, my only question is, you barely see India versus Kenya bilateral series or India versus
Hmm.
Namibia bilateral series. But suddenly
Correct.
these teams do not play too many bilateral series, right?
Correct.
And you suddenly give them chances in the ICC World Cup. Two
Hmm.
things: a, it of course dilutes the in the number of interesting matches, and b, I feel, is it fair on them? Because you are suddenly, because
Hmm.
ICC event is anyway big, there is a pressure to
Hmm.
perform, and when you have not bowled to Virat Kohli ever, and suddenly
Hmm.
the World Cup pressure, and you're bowling to a Virat Kohli,
Hmm.
someone coming from from I don't know, US, are they prepared
Hmm.
enough? And if
Hmm.
they're not prepared,
Correct.
then just for the sake of it, or should ICC implement? I mean, I would actually like to see if ICC implements something like every year, every
Hmm.
every country like Australia, New Zealand, England, India, Sri Lanka, West Indies they just have to play at least two nations, like two,
Correct.
the nations which play qualifiers, at least two series
Correct.
against them, and then get them to the World Cup, because they'll be better prepared, better matches, better competitiveness.
Correct.
So yeah,
Correct. And that's one thing that longer the format becomes, it becomes difficult for these minor minnows to perform well
minnows, yeah,
because the shorter format. Yeah. See, Afghanistan for that matter, they have had a meteoric rise in cricket. But these three matches, which I said that in the 2019 World Cup, they had led in those matches or dominated the games. 75% of the games they only dominated, but lost in the last
they couldn't close
25%
it
of the
out.
match. Yeah, had it been a T20 World Cup, might be a Rashid Khan or a Mohammad Nabi can snatch you a win with a brilliant innings of 30 ball 60. But the longer the format becomes, see, when they played Test cricket against India, they were bashed. Same happened with Ireland against Pakistan. So whenever the format becomes longer, it becomes difficult for the minnows to perform well.
And that's why they
So
need
I
more
think
practice, no?
correct, correct. And but because of that, do you think T20 cricket is the perfect fit for them to get included? And now that it has been extended to 20 teams.
Yes, I think initially to start off T20 is better. Perfect, I wouldn't
Hmm.
say. I will again
Hmm.
reiterate on the fact that perfect would be first ask each one of them to play bilateral series and then they can come and play. But yeah, for a starting T20 World Cup would be better. And when you mentioned Rashid and the rest of the Afghanistan players, you know the
Hmm.
beauty of those players is the fact that they play T20 matches all over the world. Like they're going to Caribbean Premier
Correct.
League, they're coming to Indian
Hmm.
Premier League, and they did that
Hmm.
way before we got to know Rashid
Hmm.
Khan from these leagues more
Hmm.
than Afghanistan, right?
Correct. Correct.
Automatically, then you have to open the doors of IPL for them as well.
Hmm. And one more thing, just like you said, IPL, more and
I mean,
more
IPL,
T20
CPL, all
leagues.
of them. Yeah,
Yeah, all these T20 leagues, even now T10 leagues are coming up, the 100 is coming up. These are the leagues which I feel someday there will be a 5 over tournament. I think these are the
one
leagues,
over. Wars will be one over. Oh, there was no, there was with this
the
legend,
veterans,
someone.
I think,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, the veterans were playing that. So I feel these are the leagues which might bring up talent. See, someone like Sandeep Lamichhane, he has played IPL, he has played BPL. Now, people from Nepal have seen Sandeep Lamichhane make it big in the big leagues. Now they will
Correct.
also be interested to play cricket. That's how, see, the biggest challenge for cricket as a whole is that you have to make cricket marketable. You have to make people enjoy that game, the countries which don't usually play cricket. See, football, if I compare, there always has to be a comparison between cricket and football. Football, 200 countries play football, and most of the countries are very much passionate about football because,
Exactly.
for example, a country like India, Bangladesh, the national team at this moment is not very highly ranked. But we as a nation have had great teams in the domestic circuit. Also, a lot of our citizens follow the other leagues like the English
Absolutely.
Premier League, the Spanish League, and all
Euro,
that.
Copa
That's how,
America, yeah.
yeah, that's how football has a big attraction also. One more thing which works for football is that a North Macedonia can play dirty football or play defensive football and still can draw the match. At the end of the
Correct.
day, with Italy, for example, they can draw the match.
Correct.
At the end of the day, if Afghanistan plays India or a Namibia plays India, there will be no draws unless if there's rain. Most probably 99.9% there is chance that India will win. So whenever there's no these kind of things, see, draw for a North Macedonia in football against Italy is a moral victory. But
Absolutely.
these teams, whenever they come to the big stage, Namibia, Netherlands, Scotland, and all these things, there are a lot of other teams. I'm forgetting the names. UAE, when they get bashed, there the people of their country see those games and then they get disinterested. So that's the biggest thing. Nothing works as good as success. So from
True.
there, they feel that their cricket team is a failure. So what's the point working behind sending the kids for cricket training? So if they don't even send their kids for cricket training, how will the teams come up? How will the teams grow? So that's a big challenge. The only thing that can succeed is if some players like Lami Chane and others, like Rashid Khan, develop himself in the other T20 leagues. This can open up avenues for other cricketers. That's the only from the smaller minnows, I guess. I think
But
that's the only
then,
thing.
see, the only problem is, Orko, suppose, let me take 20 countries. Okay, out of 20 countries, say top 8 countries, how many countries there is a Big Bash League, there is a Caribbean
Mhm.
Premier League, there is a Pakistan Super League, and there is IPL. Am I
I
missing out
think
anything
no,
else?
yeah,
Oh,
there's Sri
there's
Lankan
Kia
cricket
Super
league
League.
is there.
Kia Super League,
Yeah,
Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, right?
Bangladesh, yeah, yeah.
So,
And there
seven.
used to happen a yeah, Canadian Premier League or something like that happened. Yuvraj played and Goni played in that. I remember there was a
Kohli.
Canada Goni,
Oh,
Goni that
Goni,
Goni,
Manpreet Goni. I thought I was like
Manpreet
Virat
Goni.
Kohli. What? Yeah. So say 7, 8 tournaments. If
Mm,
there are 8
mm,
leagues and each, let us say, each of them have 10 teams also, but they have
mm,
their own domestic players also, no, that they will take. So how
mm.
many will get the exposure?
Correct.
And if they
That's
don't
what
get
it.
the exposure and you're not actually, see, my only concern is you are not promoting them to play more bilateral series against the bigger teams. I'm repeating again, Ireland playing a Scotland is not going to improve them. I mean,
Hmm.
it's going to make a difference, but it's not going to make major difference. But an Ireland playing
Correct.
an Australian team or an Ireland playing a New Zealand team is going to make a difference, or an Indian team for that matter, right? So,
Hmm.
along with what ICC has done is fantastic, but along with that, ICC should actually kind of, like they did for women with the ODI,
Hmm.
with the whole ODI championship. What?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
championship. Yeah.
So, because of the points, they had to play
Hmm.
against each other. So, the series
Hmm.
automatically increased, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
the boards probably were also forced at one level that if you want your team to qualify for the World Cup, you have to give them a chance by playing this many
Correct.
series. So that is
Correct.
something like that needs to be imposed, I feel, and then the World Cup can continue.
So, like the women's ODI championship, where there's a table, you get points, and then you qualify for the World Cup, right? There's a men's ODI Super
ODI
League
Super
going
League.
on. By the way, Bangladesh is leading that. This is the Super League from where the top 7 teams will get direct entry because India is the host. India will
Yep.
play. Barring India, the other 7 teams in the top in the ranking in that Super League will go to the World Cup directly. Then the rest 2 teams will be there will be qualifying matches between the teams which in this Super League has finished in the bottom 5. Along with, they will play with the top 5 of associate nations. Associate nations also play their own leagues as
Correct.
these countries. So then the other 2 places will be decided. But
Correct.
ICC had not said anything about the 2027 World Cup. How will the teams qualify for that World Cup? Will there be a ODI Super League? Nobody knows because ICC hasn't specified as of now. But
Because I think
talking about
ICC knows that after this whole Corona pandemic, I think everybody, like COVID-19 pandemic, everybody has realized that
Hmm,
planning 2027 World Cup right away is going to be very difficult because the situations and
correct.
all will change, no? Yeah, another
Correct.
thing you were saying?
So before going to women's cricket, so in men's cricket, the T20 World Cup will be happening every 2 years. Champions Trophy, since it will start in 2025, will happen every 4 years. That is 2025, then 2029. World Test Championship final will be happening every 2 years. Every 2 years, because there will be a cycle and teams will play each other and get ranked according to their points. And the ODI World Cup, as per schedule, will be happening every 4 years. But women's T20 Champions Trophy, is it a new format? T20
Yep.
Champions Trophy.
Yep.
What is
I
it? They
don't
have a
remember.
T20 World Cup. They
Yeah,
have
so
a T20 World Cup.
yeah, they have a T20 World Cup.
Hmm.
Women's T20 Champions Trophy, I'm guessing, will be because in women's T20 World Cup and Champions Trophy, there has to be the main difference has to be again the top teams will be playing. I feel.
Correct. Yeah, correct. I think that number
So
of nations will be very less. 6 teams will be playing in the Champions
yeah,
Trophy, women's. And
yeah,
World Cup, there are 12 teams. So
yeah.
again, it's kind of a men's format only, where the major teams will be playing the Champions Trophy.
Yeah, because champions
So,
will be playing for the Champions Trophy. It's kind of that kind of
so
a thing.
big question now is is Champions Trophy going to be more exciting than the World Cup, both in men's and women's format?
Yes, yes. With the format, if you think, definitely yes. Because the bigger the
Hmm.
teams, the bigger the matches, right? It's always like that. If you see a Harmanpreet Kaur, a Smriti Mandana, and then there's
Hmm.
Susie Betts and Eliza Healy, and
Correct, correct,
all of them going against each other, that's fun. Like you know, because on a day New Zealand can beat India, India can beat New Zealand. With
correct.
the rest of the teams, you're not always sure what's gonna happen. That's there. But
Should
you
there be a
know,
World Test Championship for women's?
yeah, that's what I was going to say. That doesn't seem the like happening correct, and I would say correctly. I'll tell you why.
Hmm.
Again, I think I am one of those. I will steal MS Dhoni's favorite word and say I think that the test match process has just started, and they need to stick to the process
For the
first.
women's.
Yeah, absolutely. Men's,
Correct.
obviously, it's happening because if you see Orgo, in every series, India is playing one test match. Elisa Perry
Correct.
said in an interview, and she said very correctly, that the pressure on the women's team is immense, if you see. Be it Australia, be it India, and I would say India more, because England and Australia play Ashes, which India doesn't, right? So what it eventually does is everybody will criticize you if you don't do well in that one game. And come on, 36 all out also happened. But the Indian men's team had a chance to revive themselves. The women's team don't have it. So initially, what I'm trying to say here is the boards will start with one test match every series, and then you have to make it a test series. And only then can you think of World Test Championship final, right? It's a stepping
Correct.
stone. I feel in the next cycle, maybe the next after 2031. But a major change is the under 19 Women's World Cup. That's not only a major change, I would say that's a welcome change. I mean, welcome
It's
inclusion,
happening
not a
for the
change.
first time.
Yep, absolutely.
Again, a
And
first time thing.
yes, and it's a fantastic decision. You know, and under 19 level, if we had started sports addiction as kids when we were 19 years, by
Correct.
now we would have each one of you
We
as
would
our
have those
subscribers.
YouTube buttons. You would have those YouTube
Yes,
buttons.
we would have
And
that silver button, gold button, but we don't.
yeah.
And we don't because
So
people don't subscribe. Come on, guys, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel, follow our channel. We will keep discussing. But Orgo, I want to discuss something very important tomorrow, and I'm announcing the topic right away.
correct.
And you know, I have a special place for that topic in my heart, right? Because I myself am a mental conditioning coach. And very interestingly, this mental health question after Naomi Osaka pulled out of French Open
Friendship.
was asked to Mithali in a press conference. I will tell you
Mithali
guys.
is, by the way, listen, she, I don't know whether I should reveal this. Let me reveal it. Did you hear the way she said Mithali? Is should I say? I think I should because she is very much in close contact with Mithali Raj. That's why that she's her friend only. That's why she is saying Mithali. Otherwise, we call her
We
Mithali
mere
Raj.
mortals.
Mithali Raj. It's Mithali Raj, not any
Yeah,
other
no,
Mithali.
it's it's Mithali Raj. Or should I put a the in front of it? The Mithali Raj. So the question was asked to the Mithali Raj in the press conference, and she did reply. I found her reply very interesting. So we will be, in short, we will be discussing about mental health of players, and how does the media affect it, like negatively, positively, etc. So I hope you guys will join us because it's a very important and very interesting topic. So see you guys
Correct.
tomorrow at the same time, Orgo.
Correct.
And
Exactly.
you promise
And
that you're not
please,
going to crack any bad jokes?
first, they have to promise the viewers that they have to subscribe, like our Facebook page, follow our Facebook page, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit the bell icon, and follow us on Instagram. First,
Instagram.
do all these things, and then I'll ensure whether I will crack bad jokes or good jokes, or whether I'll not crack any jokes at all or
That
not.
is not going to happen. That is not going to happen. Let's just sign off now. Thank you so much for joining us, and let's hope that you join us tomorrow and every day that we make videos. For now, stay home, stay safe, because the COVID-19 cases in India are coming down. Get vaccinated and take care. Bye bye.